I can't elaborate the basic on the big faces what I'm chasing. I got my mind on money, so that's all I'm chasing. Then with my grind, get out my face then. Time is money, I ain't got the patience. You can go ahead and stop the hating. Getting to the top is my only debation. Face it, I want compensation. I tell myself you gotta come with it. Go easy harder like you go fishing. Over still waters, nobody gon' miss it. I'm fading away because I'm on a mission. Remember the days when I ain't have shit. Everybody was laughing, joked out cause the nigga ain't have shit. And living ratchet, no of a savage. Nowadays you better get it right. I'm on my shit, this is your shit tight. I'm standing on my dick, so I'ma take flight. And I'm starting hard in the limelight. I told you niggas I'ma do me, just watch. Now I'm on your TV.
Man, what's happening YouTube? This your boy Dooley. Who? Dooley's Customs, man. I'm back with a new video for y'all today. What's happening? Fight Potty Click. My fault. What's happening? Flight Potty Click. You hear me? What's happening? Water? What's happening? Water? I hope everyone is having a good day because I am, even though my day is on the bad side, but I still gotta make it a good day no matter what, and I have to make content. So here we go, man. Today, Clifford is getting some work done, man. I have to work on Clifford today. Simple job. I have to replace the alternator. He died on me yesterday when I was far out, and that's the crazy part. I was far out too, and he died on me, man. I heard a whining noise, woo. And then you know that battery light popped on. I said, oh, I know what time it is. So thank God where I was at, my people came help me. And of course, they brought me the alternator I needed. So yeah, man, today I got to work on taking the battery off, getting the serpentine belt off. And even though I'm about to change the alternator, I'm going to change the serpentine belt as well. So when I get it fixed, I have to go back. Excuse me. I have to go back to the auto parts store and get the belt, because they didn't have one at the store they went to get my alternator last night, so I have to go to a different store to get it. But yeah, man, about to get it, man. First thing first, you already know I gotta take that battery, disconnect that battery, so I won't have no electrical current. And yeah, man, that's what it's hitting for. So I'm about to get ready to do this here, man. And the next time y'all will probably see me is either when the alternator is off or whatever, because this vlog is not gonna be long. I will show y'all how I do it, but as y'all can see, I got tools, so yeah, I'm doing it myself. I ain't paying no mechanic. As I told y'all in older videos from the past, I know how to work on vehicles, even though I don't work on vehicles unless it's my own. Even though I can fix anybody else's vehicle, I know how to work on them. I just choose not to because I'm all about customizing. So that's my thing. I like to customize. And yeah, man, I hope y'all gonna enjoy this video, man. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Share this with your people, bro, because I'm up and coming, man. So yeah, I'm on the road to 1K, even though I'm under 100, but we gonna keep pushing. And I'm gonna holler at y'all in a sec, you hear me? All right, so far I got the battery disconnected. Move out the way. I'm about to take this clip off. You feel me? I have to unlock it here. Push down. It's a little tough. What's up, big brother? Boy, Mr. Ant, man. Huh? Oh yeah, man. I'm changing this alternator. This fucking clip been on here so long that bitch feels stuck. All right. As y'all can see, man, I'm getting this bolt off. Disconnecting this alternator, man. Drop that off for now, so I can remove that. You feel me? So that I can sit on the side, man, and if it's the same bolt size, perfect. I'm about to get ready to loosen these bolts up. You feel me? It's always a little job, but ain't no job too big for Dooley's Customs. And I'm about to do this here because I'm gonna need both hands, and I'll holler at y'all when I get back. All right, I got all 3 bolts off, and I'm about to get ready to see if I can wiggle this shit out. Yeah. Yeah, I'm down, shit. You know me. But I'll be back. Alright, as y'all can see, we got the alternator off. Look at this bad boy, it's old. Super old. Can't even see the date on that bad boy, nothing. Nothing. But about to get ready to run in this house and grab the new alternator. Cause gotta get ready to pop that bad boy on. I know that's gonna be a monster. Excuse the home, but it's the new one here. AKA remanufactured. Ain't nothing new about it, but it is what it is. So I'm going to sit there right there, man. And I'm about to get ready to swap them out, put the old one in the box, and get ready to put this new one back on. I'll catch y'all in a second. Man, look at that. That bad boy, it slid right on. And give me no issues, no problems. So I got it on here. I'm about to bolt it up and then put it back together. And once I get a jump, man, y'all gonna see. But I'm gonna holler at y'all. Man, my guy Los, man, helping your boy out with the jump, man. Yeah, about to see what it do, y'all. Oh, you gonna hold it? Oh yeah, we got power. A moment of truth, y'all. Let's see what it do. Oh yeah, that bitch dead. Oh shit. A moment of truth. Clifford has started.
Let it charge for 2 minutes.
All right. Yeah, buddy, I gotta catch up. Man, bad boy. There it is. Yeah, guys, we got it going. We're gonna let it charge a bit, and I'll get back at y'all so we can finish off this video, man. Alright, y'all, it's a different day, and as y'all can see, you feel me, I got the truck started. I know it's a little dirty, I gotta clean it, but yeah. I already changed the oil, I just gotta reset the thing. But yeah, man, Clifford is done, he's running. And man, I'm happy because now he rolling, he quiet. So I still got to do a tune up in like a week. I'm going to change the spark plugs and the wires. Put a better one because I put a lot of miles on them and I haven't changed that yet. So I'm going to go ahead on and do that. And then other little knickknacks need to get done. And I'm going to take y'all with me, man. And as y'all already know, I'm about to get ready to land this video, man. If y'all like this video, man, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, like the video, man, and share it with your people, bro, because yeah, y'all already know what it is, man. And make sure y'all hop in that description or check that description, man. I got links to all my social media, well, majority of them. I gotta get the links to the rest of them, and then yeah, man, follow me everywhere I will. Follow back, man. And y'all know the motto, bro. Take the good with the bad, the bitter with the sweet, the ups with the downs, haul ass on all feet, mash on concrete every day, remain the same, be humble, prosper, gang. Embrace them struggles to enjoy them future endeavors, man. And you already know, spend less, save more, all 2021. And that's how we rockin', man. And I'll catch y'all in the next video, huh?
it, go.
I can't elaborate with the basic on the big faces what I'm chasing. I got my mind on money, so that's all I'm chasing. Then with my grind, get out my face then. Time is money, I ain't got the patience. You can go ahead and stop with the hating. Getting to the top is my only debation. Face it, I want compensation. I tell myself you gotta come with it. Go even harder, let you go fishing. Over still waters, nobody go miss it.